The People's Champ, a Harley Panhead with a Merlin hand crank starter. In the world of custom motorcycles, an invitation to the Born Free show is a rare honor. But through the Built-Well People's Champ, grassroots builders get a chance to stand shoulder to shoulder with the best. Last year, that spotlight landed on Sean Jackson from Spring Grove, Pennsylvania. Though he works daily with antique motorcycles, Sean stepped far outside his comfort zone to build something completely wild. A 1948 Harley Panhead transformed into a mechanical fantasy. The engine was restored over 6 months, but almost everything else was built from scratch. A CAD-designed modular stainless steel frame, 1930s-inspired leading link forks, split handmade tanks, and an ultra-clean cockpit showed just how meticulous this build is. The details are endless twin rear brake master cylinders, the dual linker carbs with 3D printed manifolds, a sculpted underslung exhaust, and a hand shifter with a twisted shaft. But the most outrageous element hides beneath the leather saddle. The bike can be started using a hand crank starter from a Rolls-Royce Merlin V12 airplane engine, the same engine used in the legendary Spitfire. And this machine isn't just for show. Every People's Champ contender must survive a 50-mile ride through the dangerous Ortega Highway. Sean's Panhead passed with flying colors, proving it's not only a stunning piece of art, but truly worthy of the title People's Champ.